Hi, in this video, we're going to take a quick look at modifying the TCP maximum segment size, MSS, for PPPoE. Okay, so in a typical Ethernet frame, we have an Ethernet header, Ethernet trailer, and then in between the data. So the data is, the MTU is 1,500 bytes. Okay, that allows us to have the actual data payload of an IPv4 packet of 1,460 bytes. How do we arrive at that? Well, we have 1,500 bytes Ethernet MTU, maximum transmission unit of an Ethernet frame. Subtract 40 bytes for the IPv4 header and 20 bytes for the TCP header, and that leaves us with 1,460 bytes of payload. This is known as the TCP MSS. So in the TCP options, there's a field called the maximum segment size. And this says how large the TCP segment can be. And, so that's where they get the TCP MSS from. All right. So however, PPP supports an MTU of only 1,492 bytes total. Okay, why is that? Well, it has to accommodate that additional 8-byte header for PPPoE. So that reduces the payload in the IPv4 packet from 1,460 to 1,452. So we have our 1,500 bytes Ethernet MTU, subtract 8 bytes for the PPPoE header, 20 bytes for the IPv4 header, 20 bytes for the TCP header. That gives us a TCP maximum segment size, the payload of the IPv4 packet, at 1,452. Okay, why do we mention this? Because by default, the MTU will be 1,492 on our interface dialer for PPPoE. So we need to modify the adjust the TCP maximum segment size to be 1,452. Okay. So that way it will. We need to do this, or during the TCP three-way handshake, the other side will drop the connection, okay, preventing the TCP session from being established. All right. All right, that's just a little bit on the TCP maximum segment size. Hope that makes this whole 1,492, 1,452 make a little bit more sense for you.